Hello, everyone, and welcome to the A2 English podcast. I'm Dan, and I'm really happy to have you with us today. In this episode, we're going to talk about something very important: tips for learning English and how to overcome challenges. Learning a new language can be fun, but sometimes it can be difficult. Don't worry, we have some simple tips for you. Tip number 1, listen a lot. Yes, listen to English every day. You can listen to English songs or watch English movies and TV shows with simple subtitles. You can also listen to easy podcasts for beginners. When you listen a lot, you learn how words and sentences sound. Your ear gets better at understanding English. Examples: I like to listen to pop music in English. I watch short cartoons in English. Tip 2, speak every day. Don't be afraid to speak. Even if you make mistakes, that's okay. Talk with your friends who are learning English or with your teacher. If you don't have anyone to talk with, talk to yourself. Talk about your day or your plans. The more you speak, the better you will get. Examples: today, I want to talk about my favorite food. Can we practice speaking English for 5 minutes? Tip 3, don't be afraid of mistakes. Our third tip: don't be afraid of mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when they learn something new. Mistakes are a normal part of learning. Don't let fear of mistakes stop you from practicing. Learn from your mistakes and try again. This is the way to get better. Examples: it's okay to make mistakes. I learn from them. My teacher helps me with my mistakes. Tip 4, use new words. When you learn a new word, try to use it in a sentence. Don't just write it in your notebook. Use it when you speak or write. This helps you remember it better. Examples: I learned a new word today: beautiful. This flower is beautiful. Let's use the word happy in a sentence. Tip 5, read simple texts. Our fifth and final tip for today: read simple texts. Find easy children's books or short, simple articles in English. Reading helps you see words in context, and it helps you understand sentence structure. Start with something simple and fun. Examples: I read a short story about a cat. This book has easy English words. Remember, learning English is a journey. Enjoy it. Listen, speak, don't be afraid of mistakes, use new words, and read. You are doing great. Thank you so much for listening and watching. We hope these tips are helpful for you. Before you go, please make sure to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more English lessons and tips. Your support helps us make more content for you. See you in the next episode of the A2 English Podcast.